Hi, my name is Miss Yvonne Wan. Welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn how to create a trading card envelope which can be used to contain a few of your favorite trading cards, or it can also be used as a lucky red envelope. A lucky red envelope is a typical gift that Asian people give to children during the Chinese New Year festival. Chinese New Year kicks off on February the 1st, 2022. The Chinese New Year is different from the New Year Day that we have in Western societies, and that is because most countries use the Gregorian calendar, which has around 365 days, whilst the lunar calendar is based on 12 full cycles of the moon, which is roughly 354 days. There are many ways to track time, as there are cultures and languages. Each calendar reveals something about how the people who created it relate to the world around them, while also preserving rich cultural identities and memories. So in today's class, the art supplies that you need include red paper with the template printed on it, pencil and marker, eraser, ruler, scissors, colouring markers or pencils. So here are a few lucky red envelopes and a trading card. Now this is a focus trading card that Bruno did, and I'm just trying to show you that to create an envelope, all you need to do is draw two boxes that are slightly bigger than the trading card, and then include some flaps like this. So I actually drew the template for you, so all you have to do is cut around it. And then we can draw any design on the envelope as we wish. Here are a few traditional designs of lucky red envelopes. The reason why they are red is because in Chinese culture, red symbolizes joy, virtue, truth, sincerity, and prosperity. So if you are fortunate to receive a lucky red envelope, you will typically find some lucky money in there for you to spend. So first of all, I'd like you to take a pair of scissors and cut around the outline of the lucky red envelope template like this. Next, I'd like you to fold on the lines like so, and then apply glue on the flaps like this. Next, I'd like you to stick the flaps on the paper so that you can create an envelope, like so. We'll keep a flap at the top so you can close it later on. Next, we're going to draw focus in a Chinese New Year outfit on this lucky red envelope. You can draw him any way you want, so long that you remember to add disco ball tiles on his face and his body. I'm going to give him an open mouth smile like this. I'd like you to write Happy New Year on the top. I'd like you to add a line behind him to define the ground and the wall. Next, I'd like you to ink your artwork, and remembering to add contour hatching on the right hand side to make it look more three-dimensional. Next, I'd like you to colour your character using any medium you want. And this is my lucky red envelope featuring focus in a Chinese New Year outfit. This concludes today's class. I hope you had fun. See you next week.